Still waters run deep. We all know too well that there is much depth and meaning to water itself. Its subtle quality is unrivaled. So is its power when unleashed in full fury. Its nature of being formless, yet to give and take form of everything that needs to be formed, is simply wondrous. To understand that when it comes to toughness, it is malleability that is foremost and forever important. Metals Gujarat Limited has acquired much fluidity in the manufacturing processes, which result in a range of products that have the true soul of steel. Welspun has made strategic investment. Welspun has a turnover of $2.7 billion, asset base over $1.8 billion, and is having relationship with most of the Fortune 100 companies operating in oil and gas and retail sector. The list includes the likes of ExxonMobil, Chevron, Shell, TransCanada, Walmart, and Target. At Welspun, we are committed to do the best, and the same has been replicated. The Welspun motto of truly encompasses the way. Welspun management is driving all the way and is mainly instrumental in making changes in either the product mix or in debottlenecking for increased throughput. Welspun culture is customer-centric and has been multi-product steel manufacturer. This facility is the only integrated steel plant to produce alloy, multi-grade steel, and seamless pipes and tubes in India. The plant is capable of producing several custom-specified ingots and blooms, and the same is achieved with pipes through cold and hot finish processes. It is not just a production of alloy and high-grade steel that reflects the expertise of RMG. It is evident even with the manufacture of ultra-low phosphorus and sulfur grades, in addition to creep-resistant steel. The cast products as ingots and blooms, rolled products as billets and blooms, and extruded products as pipes and tubes are all subjected to a battery of mechanical tests and quality control procedures. Is needless to say, state-of-the-art. Its current capacity is a 30,000 metric tons per annum for seamless pipes and tubes, and an almost a similar figure for other steel products combined. The plant's crucial process systems are designed by Mannesmann Demag of Germany. To name a few of the key features of the plant, they are vertical press, Ventla make, 18-stand stretch reducing mill with PLC and SCADA controls and variable speed drives for thickness control, 36-meter variable speed cooling bed, a 110-meter long continuous furnace for annealing and spheroidizing, hydro testing equipment for testing pressures up to 10,000 psi, Dr. Foster's eddy current and Rota UT with 6 channels, GE inspection equipment, and many more. The manufacturing process is a rhythmic journey, beginning with the electric arc furnace, where carburizer, scrap metal, and fluxes come together and change into a composition that is basically molten steel. The molten state steel moves onto the ladle furnace. Then and onwards to the vacuum degassing or decarburization chamber. Moving on to the continuous casting machine to disgorge casting products as square, octagonal and cylindrical blooms. The rolled products, on the other hand, emerge from ingots rolling through a reheating furnace, then onto the reversible blooming mill. And then through the bar mill to come out as finished rolled products. The pipes and tubes take shape through a different fashion. First, in the case of hot finished pipes, the billet is prepared in order to be conveyed into a rotary hearth furnace. After heating up to the required temperature, the heated billets are passed on to the extrusion press. And then on to the stretch reduction mill. In the case of cold finished pipes, it begins with surface preparation of hollows, then proceeding to the draw bench, or to the pilger mill, then conveyed onto the heat treatment bed and then through the pickling process. Both cold finish and hot finish pipes are subjected to all relevant tests as per international codes before they can be labelled as finished products ready for dispatch. Has been recognized as a widely accepted steel mill and pipe plant. The quality systems in force at the plant are as approved under TS 16949 by RWTUV CERT and ISO 9001-2000. The steel products from go into use in a host of industries. The products find use as heavy-duty components of automobiles, windmill shafts, gears, and much more for the wind energy sector, the power sector, the sugar industry, the cement industry, the railways, the defense sector, and all the others where high-grade manufactured steel is required. Super efficiency with its harmonious manufacturing process, like the fluid mechanism of water, knowing too well that just as water is the essence of life, steel is the essence of commerce, the basic material of development.